So sometimes now when I buy beef patty, I convert it. Like how God get the sinner and convert them to a saint. Yeah, man, I get the beef patty and I convert it to a cheese patty. Morning, Edie. Morning, Eva. Morning, Edie and Eva. Morning. You're just chilling outside, relaxing, all cool. Shooting some b-ball out after school. When a couple of guys, they were up to no good. Started making trouble in my neighborhood. Yeah, that's from Fresh Prince, everybody. Morning, yes, tell the neighbors. Morning. Big up. You know this dirty that. Tell neighbors morning. Say morning.
Morning.
Say morning, neighbors.
Morning, neighbors.
How are you today? How are you? Fine, thank you.
Fine, thank you.
Neighbors, morning, morning, morning. I mean, today's a good day, you know why? First of all, good morning to all the neighbors. Good morning to the undercover neighbors as well, because trust me, I love meeting you, you know. I love meeting you. You guys know me, see my face all the time. But last week I met a neighbor who I've met virtually before. I'm not going to call her name, I'm just going to say, big up, Doc. I met her last week. I was just standing in line and somebody said, hi, Paul. Of course, I turned like, huh? It's like, oh, hi, nice meeting you. And then I also went to the ATM, standing in line, and somebody said, hi, neighbor. I said, hi, neighbor. And she said, you know, talk and chit chat. And I was like, wow, look at the little piece of clothes I have on. Should I put on something better? Because I just want to. I say, no, it is what it is. Then, one day I was at the supermarket and the cashier was cashing me out good, you know. I'm not going to tell you which supermarket it is. A supermarket where the quality is high and the prices are low. So I went there and cashing out, and the supermarket cashier said to me, what's the name of your YouTube channel again? I was like, but it's always so nice to meet you, to see your faces, to interact with you. It's always so nice. So big up to all the neighbors, all the undercover neighbors. If you see me and don't say hi to me, no, say hi to me when you see me next time. If you're new to the neighborhood and you don't know what we're talking about, we don't have subscribers on this page, we have neighbors. And it's easy to join the neighborhood. We have a house with your name on it. Just click the subscribe button and you're part of the family. You're part of the neighborhood and keep on growing, alright? So today now, what we have in store? Yes, baby? What happened? Want to button that? Okay. Alright, so today I have something to show you. And I want you to look with me, alright? Help me to look and see if you find it too. Come. Just looking in the tree to see if anything, you know, anything ripe. You know, the usual scouting of the tree in the morning. So make sure your eyes are keen, you know, to see if you see anything. No, nothing up there. Continue looking. Nothing there, nothing, you know. Check around here. No, nothing there. Let me continue looking. Let me look a little further. But wait, what is this coming in the frame? What? What is this sight right here? This looks like it can eat. No, you know, if I could reach it. Ah, you touch it too? So near it so far. But yeah, man, this feels nice. Give it one more day. I hope the birds don't get to it though. And this one almost reached, you know. Yes, man, but I don't think there's anything else in the tree. I hope you don't think I'm tempting or anything or teasing you. No, don't think so. No. Not me, not me. But see what happened now. See today we're going to talk about this thing that bothers me. And I wonder if it's me alone. That's why I'm going to share with you guys. You know, this thing named cost of living in Jamaica. I am wondering if it's me alone seeing what is going on, or is me alone feeling it. Hold on, one second. Alright, I know I couldn't take the man off for the mango, so we're going to eat it now. One for me, one for you. Alright? So, cost of living in Jamaica. This mango going to last me for breakfast and lunch. Right? Wow, that's good. So, cost of living in Jamaica. I remember when I used to go supermarket in the not so distant past, when I used to go supermarket and I just go like walking down the aisle leisurely, boom, take up this. I like how this looks, boom, take up that, boom, take up this, boom, take up that. Price, I see the price there, but I mean, you know, me and the cashier will work it out when I get to the cashier. Whatever it is, I got it. Credit card, debit card, cash. I mean, it's just food and it's not that much anyway, guys. I just take what I want. Nowadays, first of all, before I tell you what is different when I go into the supermarket and how I shop, the first thing I'm doing is checking which supermarket I even go to, because how can I put this? Not all supermarkets are equal with the pricing. So that's my first strategy. Certain supermarkets where the prices are high, no, I'm not going there. So if it's too posh with AC and the latest light fixtures and them thing there, chances are you're going to be paying a bigger cost. And the ones with the bigger markups I try to avoid. Plain and straight. I don't need no big wonderful experience when I'm shopping for a half an hour to an hour. I just need to get in there as long as I'm not sweaty and I have room can move. I get in there and I get out. But I'm not just going like this and picking and choosing and all that randomly. This is me nowadays, you know, checking my list, and I start write down this or on the phone. But the last time I went up, I actually had it written down. Then I wrote it down and I'm there checking off what not on the paper, not getting bought, you know. Because at the end of the day, me and the cashier have to go work it out. You know, so I don't know how it is wherever you are in the world. I need your comments in this video. So let me know what your experience is with inflation or cost of living and just how prices are going up. First point, patty. Talked to my mother a while ago and she said she remember when patty was like $1 something in her time. You see, back in my time, and my time is not that long ago, I started high school in 2003, which is almost 20 years ago. Wow, that's 19 years ago. I got $200 for lunch and I could have saved 100 out of it because I could have bought my lunch and juice, my food and juice, from $100 in 2003. What was I buying? I was buying premium lunch. I was buying 2 cheese patty and a juice for $100. Them time the cheese patty cost $45. And that time cheese patty just come out. Whoever trip and make the cheese land in the beef and they're like, wow, this is golden. Cheese patty did just come out and it was premium patty. Just like today, you have your beef, but then you have cheese which is priced up so I could have get that cheese patty for $45 in 03. Now a beef patty cost probably more than $200 now. I remember it being $200 recently, A beef patty is $200 or probably $210 now. One beef patty. Is it to add cheese to that? That's going to get it about $260, $270 thereabout, compared to the $45 that I paid 19 years ago. I can't even tell you how much hundreds of percent that is going over by. So sometime now when I buy beef patty, I convert it. So you know, like how God get the sinner and convert them to a saint. You man, I get the beef patty and I convert it to a cheese patty from the fridge. So I get the beef patty, slice it open, and I say, I have cheese at my house. And I just slice it up, microwave it, and good to go. I must start talk about bread or chicken. Chicken was a couple of years ago or last year, not even a couple of years ago, last year, probably late last year, chicken. You could get a bag of best dressed chicken parts for $1,000, give or take a few hundred. Either a little over 1,000 or under 1,000 for chicken cut up, what mixed parts, whatever them call it. No, literally almost double, and I'm no joke, almost double the price. Bread, my mother says she remember when bread was $100 or under $100. No, bread is almost $400 and something for one loaf of bread. One loaf of bread? You know what? Let me come off of that food part there. Right now I'm going to go to gas. Because gas, petrol to put in your vehicle, whatever you call it, gasoline, diesel, whatever your vehicle run on. Oh boy, gas. I bought my car in 2018. And up to 2020-ish, yeah, up to 2020, it was $8,000 to fill my tank. $8,000. No, it costs about $10,000 to fill the tank. About $10,000. I used to be able to put in $4,000 to half the tank. Now when I put in $4,000, it's like beep. It barely go over the quarter, and I'm like, I lock off the car and I turn it on. I say, well, in the register yet, I lock it off and I turn it on. I wonder if my gas sensor not working properly or something. Then the next thing is that the gas is finishing so quick. Again, these are my experiences. If it's so it go for true, let me know in the comments, because I wonder if it's just me. Gas finishing quick. It's like it come out faster than how it got in. Believe me, people. I know why there's this old cry over gas now, because the gas price has been going up for a while during COVID, but many people were working from home and there was no school. So you had the need to go out on a daily basis for some people. Face-to-face school start back now. So if your child is at home and need to go to school, you're dropping them. So now you're just recognizing the real effect of the gas price that you see in the news going up every day or every week. Actually feel it now. So let me know. This is just a video for get, you know, to test the temperature. Let me know how it is on your side, in your neck of the woods, whether you're in USA, UK, Africa, India, or in Jamaica, because if it's me alone pausing to reflect, then I need to do some serious introspection. But I don't know, it just out of hand now. What I'm going to do, this is a part one, so what we're going to do, we're going to actually take you on a grocery haul. So in the comments, let us know your tips that you have for us in terms of, don't go to supermarket to shop for this and that. Go to Price Mart or go to wholesale or go to Meat Mart, and you can check out this one on this street and that road that I use. I know for gas prices for sure, I don't buy gas in Kingston. Like that's a no-no. I guess that could have been on unexpectedly, not buying gas in Kingston. Unless it is on Beachwood Avenue, because I hear that the Fresco is there, is good, and the Johnson's Petroleum is good. Portmore is where I buy gas. Portmore. If I lived in Kingston, I would have left Kingston to come to Portmore to buy gas. It's that bad in Kingston. So those are good tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments. We are a large family, and one of the assumptions that somebody had, we still have not done the assumptions about this video. It's coming soon in a theater near you. But one of the assumptions somebody had was that we are financially stable or well off because we're taking care of a large family in Jamaica. And trust me, people, is humbled by the grace of God. Humbled by the grace of God. So, not rich, but God always a step ahead, always providing. And honestly, that's what I should figure. So no matter what your situation is, your unique situation, my unique situation, God will always take care of us, right? Yeah. So, thanks for watching as usual, guys, and big up from Paul, Tina, Hannah, Leila, Zahra, Eden, Ava. Have a good rest of the week and see you soon. Bye.